Introduction to Hangul.
안녕하세요.
I'm Stella, a native Korean speaker living in England, and welcome to Hello Hangul. Today, we're starting at the very beginning with an introduction to Hangul, the Korean writing system. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what Hangul is, how it works, and the basic rules for writing Korean, so let's dive in. What is Hangul? Hangul is the Korean alphabet, created in the 15th century by King Sejong the Great. He designed it to be simple, logical, and easy for everyone to learn, not just scholars or the wealthy. Hangul has 24 basic characters, 14 consonants and 10 vowels. With just these 24 letters, you can read and write almost anything in Korean. How Hangul works: syllable blocks. Here's something special about Korean: Hangul isn't written letter by letter in a straight line like English. Instead, letters group together into syllable blocks. Each block is one sound, one beat. For example, Han equals H plus A plus N. Kook equals G plus U plus K. Together Hankook equals Korea. This block system makes reading Korean fast, neat, and fun. The 3 basic rules of Hangul. To read Hangul easily, remember 3 simple rules. 1. A syllable begins with a consonant. Every block starts with a consonant sound. 2. A syllable must have at least one consonant and one vowel. That's the minimum building block for any word. 3. Each syllable fits inside a square block. Instead of writing H, A, N in a line, Korean letters are neatly arranged Han. Once you understand these 3 rules, you can start reading Korean with confidence. In this series, you'll learn step by step. Lesson 2: the 14 consonants. Lesson 3: the 10 vowels. How to combine them into syllables and read real words. How to use them in everyday Korean. By following these lessons, you'll quickly gain the ability to read, write, and even recognize Korean words in daily life. Great job today. Let's review. Hangul has 24 basic characters, 14 consonants, 10 vowels. Korean is written in syllable blocks. The 3 key rules for blocks. 1. Start with a consonant. 2. Every block has at least one consonant, one vowel. 3. Each block fits into a square. In the next lesson, we'll start with the consonants, your very first step to reading Korean. I'm excited to guide you on this journey, so let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next lesson.